So today we're going to be making pizza, and pizza has been notoriously known to be this high salt, high fat kind of food. So we're going to take a revamp on that, and I'm going to show you how you can actually make it still good for you without losing much flavor and without putting any extra love handles on your belly. Here's how you do it.
Into a large bowl, mix in 360 grams of high protein flour and 290 grams of any wholemeal flour. Now I'm using a ratio of 60% high protein flour to 40% atza flour here for a nice stretch and a higher fiber content than normal. Next, add in a pinch of salt, a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and 455 grams of filtered unchlorinated water and a sachet of yeast. Use a fork or a spoon to bring the dough together and start kneading. You can use a machine for this, but doing it by hand is a great workout and works just as fine. Knead for about 15 minutes, transfer to a bowl, cover with cling film and allow to rest. Once rested, you can divide this dough into 10 dough balls for 10 personal pizzas or a few large pizzas. Once divided, shape the dough balls and cover again with cling film and allow to proof for at least 20 minutes. I'm using some toasted normal flour for a nutty flavor, but you can just dust your work surface with any normal flour, don't forget your hands too. And using gravity, slowly stretch the dough out into a disc and you're ready for your sauce. Thanks for watching. If you're watching at this very moment when the video was released, stay tuned because next week onwards I'll be releasing more videos on different sauces for your pizza. And if you're watching this in the future, check out my sauces videos for different healthy but delicious pizza toppings. And if you enjoy videos like this, let me know. Do you like it? Share it with all your friends and subscribe. Ciao!